Hi guys, now we are going to see how to transfer from BNB Smart Chain to the Polygon. We click here on Bridge, then connect the wallet, and then here we select our network. We want the Polygon chain. We are going to send USDT dollars. We click and we put 31, that's what is on our account. We wait a little bit because it takes a while to process. We submit the transaction. Then we have to confirm the transfer here. We are using a Treasure account. And now here on the bottom of the page, we can see it's going to take more or less around 4 minutes to receive our transaction. So we are going to wait a little bit. And soon we are going to show you the money already on the Polygon wallet. Hi guys, welcome back. And as you can see, we have our money, our USDT dollar already on the Polygon wallet on the Metamask. Thanks for watching.